Hi, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. We've been discussing the keys of health these days. I promise you, if you take these keys one by one, you will unlock the doors of wellness in no time. It's a guarantee. Today, we're going to be discussing the fifth key. We're going to discuss the raw materials, which are like thousands of maintenance workers fixing any irregularities or abnormalities or problems in this magnificent structure called the human body. Have you really ever thought about your body? The fact that you have involuntary muscles which do what they have to do without you ever realizing or noticing it. Imagine if you had to take conscious breath in order to stay alive, or consciously make your heart pump, and imagine if you forgot. Did you know that your skin renews itself every 28 days? The skin that you see right now on your hands will be completely replaced with fresh new skin cells in a few days without you having to do anything. Our bodies are amazing. They're a marvelous creation. Every day, your body produces skin, muscles, and bones. It churns out rich red blood that carries nutrients and oxygen throughout the body, and it sends nerve signals along thousands of miles of brain and body pathways. It also formulates chemical messengers, sending them from one organ to another, issuing the instructions that help sustain your life. But to do all this, your body requires some raw materials. These include at least 30 vitamins and minerals and dietary components that your body needs but cannot manufacture on its own in sufficient amounts. Vitamins and minerals are considered essential nutrients because they're absolutely essential in performing hundreds of roles in your body. They strengthen bones, heal wounds, and strengthen your immune system, just to name a few. They also convert food into energy, repair cellular damage, help your body function optimally, in a nutshell. Now tell me, what can your body do without vitamins and minerals? Nothing really. They're responsible for the health of your body, health of your brain, health of your skin, eyes, and even your emotions. If you're concerned about your skin, well-being, aging, lethargy, sleep issues, thyroid problems, or whatever else, there's a good chance you will find your answer today. Vitamins and minerals are called micronutrients. Lack of these micronutrients can result in diseases like acne, anemia, asthma, scurvy, depression, blindness, rickets, lethargy, hair fall, chronic fatigue, and hundreds of other problems. Likewise, if you have enough of these micronutrients in your body, the benefits are tremendous. You will have strong bones, healthy teeth, glowing skin, shiny, strong hair. It prevents birth defects. You can avoid hormonal imbalance and glandular disorders just by having enough micronutrients in your body. So, importance of taking vitamins and minerals has been spreading in recent days. That's why you can find a shop containing vitamins and minerals and supplements in almost all plazas, malls, even supermarkets. You'll find a section containing natural supplements. So let's discuss these a little bit more. Our bodies need about 30 micronutrients. I'm not going to go through each one of them and what role they play in our bodies. It will take hours if I do that. But I do want to take you very briefly through the difference between vitamins and minerals. Just a quick second. Vitamins are organic and can be broken down by heat, air, or acid. Minerals are inorganic and can hold on to their chemical structure. So why is it important for you to know this? The minerals in soil and water easily find their way into your body through the plants, fish, animals, and fluids you consume. But it's tougher to shuttle vitamins from food and other sources into your body because cooking, storage, and simple exposure to air can inactivate these more fragile compounds. Technically, we should get these micronutrients from our food, especially fruits, vegetables, and nuts. But over the last 100 years, our natural environment has been severely damaged. Population growth, industrial agricultural practices, pollution caused by industrial plants and cities have all damaged the nutrient balance of soil in which our food is grown. So most of the earth's soil is pretty much depleted of micronutrients. Add to that the hectic lifestyle, which encourages quick and easy meals. We're no longer consuming balanced and healthy diet. So without going into detail, fast-paced lifestyle, junk food, use of GMOs, use of pesticides in commercial production of fruits and vegetables, and use of antibiotics while raising livestock has pretty much changed our food beyond recognition. The food is there. The apples are bigger. The oranges are rounder. But the food is missing many essential elements which it's supposed to have. When we consume this food, even if it's supposedly healthy and looks good, our bodies are not getting from it what they're supposed to, and we develop deficiencies. So this is a very important point to remember. We're going to touch upon it later on. So even though all parts of our body needs vitamins and minerals for proper functioning, what suffers the most in their absence is our glands. All glands in our body need vitamins and minerals for proper functioning. Think of it like they're food. If there aren't enough micronutrients in our bodies, the gland begins to malfunction, it begins to starve, and eventually your body starts going into a bit of a chaos, because the glands are supposed to be these secret, quiet maintenance workers, providing the body what it needs in order to function properly. Many people say it is useless it's useless to take vitamins and minerals or nutritional supplements. They're just a recipe for a very expensive urine. Nonsense, I tell you. We need to supplement vitamins and minerals because we're not getting that from our diet, and we need them. You need them. This need changes depending on your age, your body size, gender, health condition, lifestyle, diet, nutritional deficiencies you might have, and whether you take medications for a disease or not. So all of these need to be considered when you choose a multivitamin supplement. These considerations make this simple topic slightly complex. Sure, we all need vitamins and minerals, but how much of each? What is the best time to take them? Should they be taken with meal or without meal? Do they work best in empty stomach or full stomach? This is where a professional comes into play. I keep stressing the importance of starting your journey of well-being with a professional because they can help you understand these intricacies until you know how to use all these keys to your advantage. Otherwise, if you're taking vitamin and mineral supplements, but they're not potent enough for your body's needs, then you won't really benefit, would you? There is no alternative to healthy diet. Don't get me wrong. I'm not telling you that you can supplement or you can replace your diet with these supplements. These are called supplements for a reason. You should still eat adequate amount of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and proteins, but take supplements to offset whatever deficiencies you have in your body. I hope to make one thing clear to you today. No matter how well you eat, you still need a good multivitamin and mineral supplement. And from a reputable company. Make sure you get the supplements which are from natural sources as opposed to synthetic sources. It makes a huge difference in how your body utilizes them and how much your body makes use of them. Otherwise, most of it will leave your body without affecting your body in a way it should. I encourage you to consult a specialist to study your case and create a comprehensive plan according to your own specific needs. I can't stress this point enough. You shouldn't simply walk into a store and buy the first product you see. You need to get the right product and complement it with the right right diet plan. Consume them the right way and at the right time. A good supplement is an investment. You want to make sure that you're investing in the right product and that you will receive its proper return in the form of optimal wellness and an energized mind and body. As always, be your best self and take care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.